walking dogs. It's a grind.
Yeah.
I've got 3 employees now who are like
just walking. Yeah.
walking dogs, but he's like the go-to guy in Beverly Hills. And he's like independent. He's not with some, big dog walking company or something, but $3,000 a day walking dogs. I go, there's a need, especially in this community where people are busy, but they love their dogs and they have money to spend on their dogs.
Yeah.
And he is providing a service. It's incredible. $3,000 a day, man. It's crazy.
I love this
I'm in the wrong business. I need to be walking dogs,
I love this example because it's perfect, because everyone can understand. It's like, what's the problem that they're solving? It's like, people don't have time to walk their dogs.